So the administration of criminal justice in Lagos State is about to be strengthened as the state lawmakers are deliberating on a bill seeking compensation and protection for the rights of victims of crime. This formed part of deliberations at the Lagos State House of Assembly on Monday. Abimbola Agbebi has the story.
In the past, a victims-only succor under the criminal justice system of Lagos State was conviction or punishment of the offender. There was no other form of compensation for any loss suffered by the victim as a result of the crime, time and cost expended in ensuring that justice is served. This trend has discouraged victims from prosecuting or supporting the prosecution of criminals in the state.
A bill for a law to provide for the rights and entitlements of...
It is the reason members of the State House of Assembly are deliberating on a bill that seeks provision for the rights and entitlements of victims of crime, as well as protection of witnesses.
Section 3 of that bill talks about the establishment of the Victims Assistance and Witnesses Protection Agency. This bill is very, very apt in terms of the fact that if some people suffered a loss through victimization, probably they lost their properties, probably the witness cannot be protected. This bill is talking about establishment of an agency that will look into that.
For the Speaker of the House, criminals no longer have hiding place with the provisions of the bill.
Most times, criminals get away with crime just because no one is willing to come outside to witness against them. But this bill has come to give assurance to be witness that such person will do with the support from the government and with the protection that such person can come out and stand to give evidence against whosoever that happens to have committed crime.
The lawmakers also amended the Lagos State Pension Reform Law, which is expected to make life easier for pensioners through unfettered access to their retirement benefit.
This bill is just an amendment on the pension bill of Lagos State that has been in existence since 2015.
A lot of pensioners complain here and there, they cannot access their pension so easily. So the Lagos State government has looked into what are these technical issues, encumbering easy access to pension.
The two bills have been committed to appropriate committees of the House to report back in 2 weeks. Abimbola Agbebi, TV News, Lagos.